Hi, I'm Justin from ASPnix.com.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about the ASPnix affiliate marketing program. If you want to make money online, if you have a blog or a website, maybe you review products or services, this is a great opportunity for a few reasons. All you have to do to sign up and start making money on your referrals is go to the affiliate program link, which you can easily find at ASPnix.com, or just click below on the link I will put in the description. We're going to navigate there now. I'm at our Twitter site. We're going to go to www.aspnix.com, and we're going to click our mouse over the word company and click on affiliate program. Now you can see here we actually offer $10 just for signing up, and another 50% of any sales that result from your referrals. So we're going to get you a link, and that link you want all of your customer referrals to follow that link to our site. So we're going to scroll to the bottom here. We're going to show you how to sign up for free. So if you don't already have an account, we're going to show you how to do that. And I already have an account, so I'm also going to show you how to sign up if you have an account like I do. So first we're going to show you how to sign up for the free Linux hosting. Click here, just link says free Linux hosting. This doesn't cost you anything to do. It's just a good way to get started so you can start making money on the program. Make sure to click on order here. If you go over here, you're actually going to have to pay for that kind of hosting. You're welcome to do that if that's your choice, but if you just want to make money and you don't want to sign up for anything, click on free hosting and click on order. Now, I already did that. I already have an account. I'm actually using a demonstration account right now. So we're going to go back and I'm going to show you how to do this after you've already finished the process, if you already have your own account. So you're going to click on affiliate program, and you'll see here, this is a dummy account, so number of visits referred, signups, conversions. It actually shows you how much you're earning. And this is update immediately all the time. So available commission balance. So I actually have $10 because I just signed up. So when it gets to 50, you can cash out. Every time it hits 50, you get money. So what you're going to do, you're going to get a unique referral link. Now this is really important. This is the link you want to send new customers through to get you paid. So you can copy that and share it. The other thing you can do is you can go to this link here for media, and you can pick any of these different advertisements. We've got a lot of them. Plenty of different types of advertisements you can select. Pick one that might work for you. Say you want to put it on your web page, or you want to share it. There's lots of different stuff here to share. So I really like this one, so we're going to click on it. Look at that. That's all I need. That's all the HTML code I need to paste it into my WordPress or my web page of any kind. Alright guys, I hope that was pretty helpful, and feel free to leave some comments or suggestions, any questions that you guys have about how to make money with us. Have a great day.
If you haven't heard of us before, please feel free to take a minute to check us out. There is a link in the description. Those too lazy to click can just type in ASPnix.com.